Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can remove or turn off the zoom function from your home screen on iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, subscribe to this channel, and also write comments at the end of the video. And let's get on with this topic. And if you have the zoom feature active on your iPhone home screen, how does that even work? Well, in order to zoom in on your home screen, you'll need to use 3 fingers to double tap on the screen. And as you can see, that's how your home screen is zoomed in. All the icons are zoomed in. And that's how the zooming happens. But how do you turn it off? First of all, if you do that with 3 fingers in order to zoom out again, all the shortcuts and all the icons that you have, you can also just use 3 fingers to double tap the screen to shrink your home screen. But that way, you just go back to smaller icons, but you don't turn off, of course, this zoom feature. In order to do that, you'll need to go into your phone's settings. Now I'll show you from the beginning. Go to the phone settings, then scroll down and go to the Advanced section. After that, scroll down a little bit, and here you see Zoom section. Click on it, and as you can see, Zoom or Zoom, it's active. And you'll just need to turn it off by clicking on this button right here. And now if I try to do something, as you can see, I can't zoom in on anything because this zoom function has been turned off. Friends, this is the way you can remove the zoom function from the home screen on iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please like, comment, and see you soon.